So you've seen it at the bakery, you've seen it on those hip cooking shows, but how do you pronounce the word? So some of the confusion comes from the fact that the word challah is not based off of an English word. It actually comes from Hebrew. Now, Hebrew has a completely different alphabet system than the English language. So Hebrew letters look different, and Hebrew letters can make different sounds. So this is what the word challah looks like in Hebrew. Now, the first letter of the word challah makes a sound that we're not quite used to in English. So in English, we're used to H making a h sound, like ha, ha, ha. In Hebrew, you do have a letter that makes that kind of breathy H sound, but you also have a letter that makes more of a guttural H sound. H, h, h. Kind of almost like you're hawking up a piece of phlegm. And that's the letter that's at the beginning of the word challah. So it's not pronounced challah. The reason you have the CH in English is because they were trying to figure out a way to say, hey, it's not a soft H sound, challah. It's actually a guttural H sound, challah. So the correct Hebrew pronunciation is challah. As an English speaker, if you use a soft H and say challah, no one's going to correct you, and unless like you're in the middle of an Israeli Hebrew speaking population, no one's going to notice, and you can get away with it. But please, no, don't call it challah. It's not. And actually, that confusion where people have tried to translate Hebrew terms to English and didn't know what to do with the guttural H, that's why we have the different spellings of Hanukkah, because it's not actually Hanukkah, it's Hanukkah. It's that same guttural H sound. So that's why sometimes you'll see Hanukkah written with just an H at the beginning, and sometimes you'll see it written with a CH to represent that guttural H sound. So yeah, once again, if you're trying to say it correctly, challah. And if you want to go with challah, that's fine. Like I said, I'm a native English speaker. I didn't learn Hebrew till 4th grade. So I tend to kind of fall back on like a soft H sound, challah, even though that's technically not correct. The only people who ever correct me on it are my kids, because they started learning Hebrew a lot younger. So they're like, Mommy, it's not challah, it's challah, because they've learned how to kind of tune in to that difference. So yeah, now you know. For other great tips about challah braiding, crafts, crochet, knitting, and all sorts of fun, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook, and visit thelindsaylife.com. See you next time.